Number 29. The graph above displays the total cost C in dollars of renting a boat for each hours. What does the C-intercept represent in the graph? A, the initial cost of renting the boat. B, the total number of boats rented. C, the total number of hours the boat is rented. D, the increase in cost of rent the boat for each additional hour. 30. In the figure below, triangle PQR is an isosceles right triangle. What is the ratio of the hypotenuse to the length of PQ? F, radical 2 over 2 to 1. G, radical 3 over 3 to 1. H, radical 2 to 1. J, radical 3 to 1. K, 2 radical 2 to 1. 31. Find the values of x. What values of x make the inequality? Negative 5x minus 7 is greater than 3x plus 1 true. F, x is greater than 1. G, x is less than 8. H, x is less than negative 1. J, x is greater than negative 4. K, x is less than 2. 32. Katrina is a botanist studying the production of pears by two types of pear trees. She noticed that type A trees produce 20% more pears than type B trees did. Based on Katrina's observation, if type A trees produced 144 pears, how many pears did the type B trees produce? A, 115. B, 120. C, 124. D, 173. 33. If 3 times the quantity C plus D equals 5, what is the value of C plus D? A, 3/5. B, 5/3. D, 3. C, 3. D, 5. 34. A musician has a new song available for downloading or streaming. The musician earns 9 cents each time the song is downloaded and 0.002 of a cent every time the song is streamed. Which of the following expressions represents the amount in dollars that the musician earns if the song is downloaded D times and streamed S times? A, 2,000s D plus 900s S. B, 2,000s D minus 900S. C, 900D, 100s D plus 2,000th S. D, 900s D minus 2,000th S. 35. A quantity control manager at a factory selects 7 light bulbs at random for inspection out of every 400 light bulbs produced. At this rate, how many light bulbs will be inspected if the factory produces 20,000 light bulbs? A, 300. B, 350. C, 400. D, 450. 36. W equals x times y times z. Then which of the following is an expression of z in terms of w, x, and y? A, xy divided by w. B, w divided by xy. C, w xy. D, w minus xy. E, w plus xy. 37. In the right triangle below, which of the following statements is true about angle x? A, cosine of x equals 13 over 5. B, cosine of x equals 13/12. C, tangent of x equals 5/12. D, cosine of x equals 12/5. E, sine of x equals 13/12. 38. The table above shows some values of the linear function f. Which of the following defines f? A, f of n equals n minus 3. B, f of n equals 2n minus 4. C, f of n equals 3n minus 5. D, f of n equals 4n minus 6. 39. The cost of a carriage rides at different lengths, given in half miles, are shown in the table below. Each cost consists of a fixed charge and a charge per half mile. What is the fixed charge? A, 50 cents. B, $1. C, $5.50. D, $5. E, $1.50. 40. As shown in the figure below, what is the sine of angle C? A, 1/5. B, 1 divided by radical 26. C, radical 26 divided by 5. D, 5. E, radical 26. 41. In an isosceles right triangle, the hypotenuse is 12. What is the length of one of the sides? F, 6 radical 2. G, 2 radical 6. H, 2 radical 4. J, 2 radical 3. K, radical 3. 42. Mr. Martinson is building a concrete patio in his backyard and deciding where to buy the materials and rent the tools needed for the project. The table below shows the materials cost and daily rental cost for 3 different stores. The total cost, Y, for buying the materials and renting the tools in terms of the number of days, X, is given by Y equals M plus W plus K, the quantity, times X. For what number of days, X, will the total cost of buying the materials and renting the tools from store B be less than or equal to the cost of buying the materials and renting the tools from store A? A, X is less than or equal to 6. B, X is greater than or equal to 6. C, X is less than or equal to 7 3/10. D, X is greater than or equal to 7 3/10. 43. Which of the following is an equation for line L in the xy plane above? A, X equals 1. B, Y equals 1. C, Y equals X. D, Y equals X plus 1. 44. To make a baker's signature chocolate muffins, a baker needs 2 5/10 ounces of chocolate for each muffin. How many pounds of chocolate are needed to make 48 signature chocolate muffins? 1 pound equals 16 ounces. A, 7 5/10. B, 10. C, 50 5/10. D, 120.